I suggest cooking pancake rolls with a spicy filling. If suddenly you have a few pancakes left, then such an appetizer will be very useful. It will help to use the stale pancakes. 1. Combine all the ingredients for pancakes. Stir well. 2. Fry the pancakes, greasing the pan with oil. 3. Fry the breast, or bake it in the oven. 4. Grease pancake mascarpone. 5. Put a little carrot and sliced cucumber on each one. 6. Then lay out the sliced chicken breast. 7. Roll into a roll, cut into rolls, and serve to the table. Enjoy your meal.